Stan Smiths. Especially being all white, they get trashed in no time. But I have good news for you, because cleaning them doesn't have to be a pain in the butt. Here's your quick fix. I was sick of my own shoes looking trashed and had an idea for this sponge. I quit my job and I invented this thing in my garage. Maybe you've seen us on Shark Tank, and now SneakERASERS are in Target, Costco, and Walmart, but we're still a very small business and every order makes a difference. These work way better than those expensive, messy shoe cleaning kits with brushes and sprays and foams that are full of chemicals. But these, you just need water. Some marks can come off instantly. Others take a few extra swipes. But those tough, seemingly impossible scuff marks, they're gone. No soaking, no chemicals. Now, if yours are scratched or gouged, nothing can fix damages. Otherwise, SneakERASERS can take care of it fast. Maybe you've tried typical erasers before. They're made for countertops, not shoes. They crumble and don't last. However, we engineered SneakERASERS for shoes. The difference is huge. This orange layer is for smooth, sensitive surfaces. The white eraser side, you can use it until it's gone. The trick is not to press hard. Just light swipes. It works better and helps the eraser last longer. Like a pencil eraser, this won't last forever. That's why the 10-pack is perfect. If you just need quick touch-ups on the go, grab a pre-moistened single pack. And yeah, it's not just for these shoes. You can clean pretty much every shoe in your whole closet. If you have uppers that are fabric or mesh, check out Soak Easy Detergent. We have a video on that too. So that's it. Quick, easy, and no mess. Just rinse out the sponge, let it dry, and you can use it again later. Got another type of shoe that you need to clean? Drop a comment and we'll cover it in a future video. Check the description below for special deals we're running. Thanks so much for supporting us.